Hi, I'm Rose. Welcome to day 5 of healthy eating. Good morning, TGIF. Today for our breakfast, we're going to start with our drink, and I've already filled my jug with ice. We're going to put a few strawberries that I have already sliced. And how about some blackberries? I'm going to add a couple slices of lemon I've already cut in half. And then I'm also going to take half of a lemon and squeeze the lemon juice in there. And we're going to be filling this up with filtered water. For breakfast, we're having hard-boiled eggs, avocado, and tomato. You want to start with half of an avocado. You want to slice it and then scoop it out with a spoon. Next, we want to cut a slice of tomato and then cut that in half. I've already made my 2 hard-boiled eggs. To cook them, you want to put them in a pot of water. Once your water starts boiling, you want to cook them for 10 minutes, then remove them and put them in an ice cold bath. This will help with removing the shell a lot easier. I went ahead and cut my eggs in half, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of pink salt and some pepper. For a little extra oomph, you want to add some fancy chili powder. And we are ready for our lunch, and we are going to be making a salad with spinach and arugula. So I'm going to go ahead and put some in my bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of my mushrooms and asparagus that I saved from last night's dinner, and we're going to go ahead and add this to our salad. I cut about 4 grape tomatoes in half, and I'm going to go ahead and add them in here. And then we're also going to take some feta cheese, and we're going to sprinkle some on top. Now you want to top it off with your favorite light Italian dressing. Today I'm using Olive Garden. For dinner, we're going to start boiling some water. You want to add a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to pour our bow tie pasta. The olive oil is so that the pasta doesn't stick. You want to go ahead and cook this for 7 minutes. While our pasta is cooking, we're going to go ahead and cut a whole package of grape tomatoes in half. Now we're going to start peeling a cucumber, and we're going to be cutting this in small pieces. And while I'm doing this, I just want to let you know that I have been working out 5 days out of the week. Yay, me, right? Anyway, today I did some cardio, and I have to tell you that is not easy. I mean, the incline on that thing, it went up so high. There were a lot of WTFs inside, trust me. And for a minute, I thought that if I didn't hang on to those handles, I would have been on the ground, and you would have been watching me on one of those other YouTube videos where they show all these people falling. So I'm glad that wasn't me. I was able to hang through. And another thing I noticed, even though it says that it'll keep your heart rate at a certain number, that thing just kept climbing and climbing. I couldn't believe how high it went. But anyway, I was able to get through it once I turned it down. Okay, our pasta is ready. I went ahead and drained it. Now I'm just going to pour it all in my bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes. Again, this was 1 whole package of grape tomatoes cut in half. And then I'm also going to add my cucumbers. It was half of a cucumber sliced in quarter pieces. All right, this is a can of sliced black olives we're going to be also adding in here. Okay, we're also going to be adding some mozzarella pearls, which are basically mozzarella cheese balls. I love using these. These are a must-have for your salad. And I'm just going to take this out and just kind of separate them a little bit because they do get stuck. They come kind of stuck, so you just got to separate them. All right, so for your salad, you also want to add some grilled chicken. And in this case, I had a package in my freezer of grilled chicken. So I'm just going to cut this in smaller bite-sized pieces. All right, let's go ahead and add our chicken to our bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and add some dressing. I like using the Zesty Italian. Make sure it's zesty. And if you can find light, go ahead and use light dressing. I'm going to pour some of my dressing in there. And then I'm going to be adding some pink salt. You know, I like to use pink salt, but whatever salt you have is fine. I like pink because it's healthier. And we're also going to add some pepper, and you want to go ahead and salt and pepper to your taste. Let's go ahead and mix this. Okay, for your snack today, we're going to start with a couple of celery stalks, and we want to go ahead and trim the ends. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut these in half, and then we're going to be spreading some peanut butter on top. You can add some raisins, and then we can also add some almonds to it. If you'd like to see a day 6 video, please let me know below. Thanks for watching.